Hello viewers, and welcome to this short presentation in our series on industrial accident investigation. In today's theme, we will take an in-depth look at root cause analysis. Root cause analysis, RCA, encompasses several systematic approaches designed to identify the underlying causes of problems rather than just addressing symptoms. Here are the main systems and methodologies. The 5 whys is perhaps the simplest approach, involving repeatedly asking why to drill down through layers of causation until reaching the fundamental issue. While easy to use, it can oversimplify complex problems. Fishbone Ishikawa diagrams provide a visual framework organizing potential causes into categories like people, process, environment, materials, and methods. This helps teams systematically explore different dimensions of a problem. Fault tree analysis works backward from an undesired event, mapping out all the logical combinations of failures that could lead to that outcome. It's particularly valuable in safety-critical industries and complex systems. Failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, takes a proactive approach, systematically examining each component of a process to identify potential failure modes, their effects, and likelihood. It's widely used in manufacturing and healthcare. Taproot is a comprehensive system that combines multiple analysis techniques with a structured investigation process. It uses snapchart, cause and effect charting, to map incidents, then applies the Taproot root cause tree, a detailed decision tree with over 1,400 specific root causes organized into 15 major categories. The system emphasizes finding fixable root causes and includes a corrective action helper to guide effective solutions. Taproot is particularly popular in high-risk industries like nuclear power, chemical processing, and aviation. Apollo root cause analysis uses a structured approach with reality charting to map cause and effect relationships, focusing on both action-based and condition-based causes. Kepner-Treger problem analysis employs a systematic questioning technique to distinguish between what is and isn't associated with the problem, helping isolate the true cause. Barrier analysis examines what barriers, physical, administrative, or natural, should have prevented an incident and why they failed. Each system has strengths depending on the context. Simple problems might only need the 5 whys, while complex technical failures often require more sophisticated approaches like fault tree analysis or FMEA. The key is matching the methodology to the problem's complexity and the organization's needs. Okay, so we have had a look at some of the different root cause analysis methods. Now let's dig a little deeper. So, what's it all about? Root cause analysis, RCA, is a methodical approach to problem solving used to identify the underlying causes of incidents or accidents. Its primary goal is to prevent future occurrences by addressing the core issues rather than merely treating superficial symptoms. In the context of accident investigation, RCA is invaluable for uncovering systemic weaknesses that may have contributed to the incident. RCA goes beyond the surface-level details of an accident to explore the deeper, often hidden factors that allowed the incident to occur. This comprehensive approach considers various aspects of the organization, including policies, procedures, training, equipment, and human factors. By delving into these areas, RCA helps organizations identify and address fundamental flaws in their systems and processes. Now let's take a look at some of the key steps involved in conducting an RCA. Data collection. Gathering all relevant information about the incident, including physical evidence, witness statements, and documentation. Cause charting. Creating a visual representation of the causal factors and their interrelationships. Root cause identification. Analyzing the information to determine the fundamental reasons behind the incident. Recommendation generation. Developing specific actionable recommendations to address the root causes. Implementation and tracking. Putting recommendations into practice and monitoring their effectiveness. By following this structured approach, organizations can gain deep insights into the underlying issues that contribute to accidents and develop targeted strategies for prevention. By adhering to this structured approach, organizations can gain profound insights into the underlying issues contributing to accidents and develop targeted strategies for prevention. What is the philosophy behind root cause analysis? Well, at its core, RCA is based on the belief that problems are best solved by attempting to address, correct, or eliminate root causes, as opposed to merely addressing the immediately obvious symptoms. By focusing on root causes, RCA aims to prevent problem recurrence. It's important to recognize that there is rarely a single root cause for any problem. Most often, there are several causal factors that interact to create the conditions for an accident or incident to occur. This philosophy represents a shift from reactive to proactive safety management. Instead of simply responding to incidents as they occur, RCA encourages organizations to look deeper and address the fundamental issues that allow accidents to happen. This approach recognizes that most accidents are not isolated events, but rather the result of a complex interplay of factors within the organizational system. The RCA philosophy also emphasizes the importance of systems thinking. It recognizes that individuals operate within larger systems and that their actions are influenced by various organizational factors. This perspective helps to move away from a blame culture and towards a more constructive approach that focuses on improving systems and processes. Furthermore, the RCA philosophy promotes continuous improvement. By consistently addressing root causes, organizations can gradually enhance their safety systems, leading to a reduction in incidents over time. This ongoing process of analysis and improvement aligns with the principles of a learning organization, where lessons from each incident contribute to overall organizational knowledge and safety culture. That's it for today's presentation. I hope that you have taken away some facts surrounding RCA. In my next video, we will take a look at the iterative nature of root cause analysis, differentiating between types of causes, the importance of multi-level analysis, and start to look into advanced root cause analysis techniques. Thank you for watching and have a safe and healthy day.